Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sohini Chanda and I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video, I am going to create this beautiful nude look and this is absolutely perfect for summer and yeah, it's a very easy peasy makeup look. So if you guys want to know how I create it, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to start with my moisturized skin, and for the primer I'm using the Color Bar Perfect Match Prime Water. It's very lightweight, and for my base today I'm using the Huda Beauty Glowish Multi Dewy Skin Tint. The shade I'm using today is medium tan. Now I'm just here back from the vacation, so this shade matches me perfectly. Otherwise I had to use a concealer. For concealer, I am using the Swiss Beauty Concealer. It's a HD concealer. I have been loving this product so much. So the shade I'm using is 04 Medium Beige and I'm going to blend it with my beauty blender. Now I'm using this under my eyes and also on the highest points of my face. For my powder, I'm using the Key Beauty Compact Powder. The shade I am using here is 130N Medium and I'm going to set my under eyes and full face. Next for my blush, I'm using the Key Beauty Matte Blush. The shade I'm using is Mild Berry. It's a beautiful shade. I'm going to apply it on my nose and also on my cheeks. For my highlighter, I'm using the Nykaa highlighter. This is Glow Gold Shimmer Brick in the shade Good Old Gold. For my eyeshadow, I'm using the Forever 52 Pro Pigment Eyeshadow Palette. Shade number is 08. I'm going to take this matte shade and apply it all over my eyelid and also on my crease. I'm using a blending brush and also blending it on my lower lash line. For mascara, I'm using the MAC mascara here. I just love it. It is very black and it works for my lashes very well. I'm also highlighting my inner corners with the same highlighter. For my lipstick, I'm using the Blue Heaven Powder Matte Lipstick Mocha Madness, and I'm also going to apply the same eyeshadow on top of it to make it neutral. Alright, that is it for today's video. Let me know if you like it or not. Give this video a big thumbs up if you did, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and do let me know what videos you want to see next. I will be uploading 2 videos every week, so do let me know. Also, do not forget to check out the description box. I'm going to mention the product details with their links. So yeah, see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.